You first of all loosen this screw right here. This one you just adjust it a little, then you get your screwdriver and then use the screwdriver to loosen the nut. After you adjust the bolt, you loosen the nut itself. Don't lose it completely, just loosen it until you are able to pull out the wheel. Yeah, just like this. Pull out the wheel, and then the next one is this little nut right here. You get a screwdriver and you loosen it. Sometimes this nut here is a bit hard, so in case you can't lose it, you can use a spanner too and loosen it. Then we'll be taking out the pedal rod so we can fix another one. Now first, before you take this out, because this one broke, so you first of all loosen this nut here before you take it out. But this one broke, that's why I didn't loosen that place. So you just force it out. It's a bit hard sometimes. So it's out, and then you clean it up a little. It's quite dirty. Now this is the new one. So you screw the rod inside, then you use this nut right there. Screw it inside. Use this nut to tie it. Make sure you tight it very well. Then for you to fix it, you follow this place that is flat. The wheel right now, you follow this side that is flat, and you fix it. Then you must make sure you align the pedal rod hole with the hole of the wheel. You see this hole right here? That's where the nut will be going inside. Make sure you align the hole, the two holes to match. Then you put in this nut. Make sure you screw it till it reach to the end and you tight it very well. You can also use pliers to tight it so it will be very tight. Make sure it's very tight so it won't close by itself. So we'll be losing out this nut now. Get your 19 spanner, size 19, loosen the nut, loosen it completely. You also unscrew this one too, just loosen it, and then you adjust this one. As you can see, it has too much space, so just you tight the bolt inside so the space will not be much. And then we'll be fixing the wheel. First I'll adjust this thing again so the wheel will be able to pass to get inside. As you fix the wheel, you tighten back this screw right here. As you are tightening it, you'll be rotating it to know if you have over tightened it, because if you tighten it too much, the wheel will not be able to rotate again. So you put this one right here, you put it, then you bring the nut and tighten it. Now you check if it's free. As you can see, it's rolling very well. Then I'll tighten this one right here. You tighten the knot so it won't lose by itself. Alright, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.